Okay, this is a laptop. Come to replace the LCD. Okay. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the battery first. So the laptop will not short. Okay. Remove the battery. Because the LCD cable always have 19 volt there. Even the laptop is off. So make sure you take out the battery before you remove the screen. Okay. After you take out the battery, then you try to open the screen. Just open the clip. Just put the pen inside, open this clip. This rubber. Okay, remove the frame right hand. Be careful you don't break the frame, okay? Just open it right hand. If your laptop never opened before, you have to be careful. You don't break the frame. Do it slowly. For the screen, you don't have nothing to worry about because you are going to replace a new screen. Okay. Then open the corner here. Lift this one up. Remove the frame. This one. Take out the frame. Make sure you open the laptop a bit so that the frame will come out easily from down here. Okay. Now you need to take out the first screw. The screen. Okay. Make sure you take out the first screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. After I take out the first screw, you use the left LCD up. Just take it up like this. Okay. Then remove this rubber. Take it out. And there's a clip here. Raise this clip up. This metal. Just raise it up and pull it inside. Okay. Take out the LCD. Now you need to fix the new one. Make sure you put the connector very straight. Don't bend it. Put it very straight. And close the clip again. Close it very nice. Okay. Make sure you clip properly and it's very straight. Put back the rubber down. Make sure you close properly. Okay. Then you put back the LCD very straight. Make sure you put it very straight exactly. You take it. Okay. Make sure you put the connector exactly inside so that the frame will close properly. Just put exactly how you take it from inside. Nice one like this. You place back the first screw you take out. Okay. Then you take out this plastic. Take out it a bit like this. Halfway. Okay. Fix back the frame. Make sure you fix the downside first. Okay. Fix it. Just push it inside like this. Okay. You make sure the plastic is up. In case you want to take out the plastic, make sure it's up like this. Okay. And close the frame. Make sure you close the frame right hand very nice. Okay. Just squeeze it just like this. Right round. Okay. Close it very nice. Okay. I need to test it. After I close everything on the laptop, as you can see, the laptop is on. You can see the screen, everything is perfect, everything is good. That means Okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel